Okay, so going over some of the things you are required to do within a research paper, components of a research paper, what should you create? So part of the rubric is focus on ideas, content, and purpose. So the research paper does an outstanding job of fulfilling its purpose of providing substantial information on the chosen topic. The details provided are complete and cover the topic fully. There is no irrelevant information present. Readers are not left with lingering questions about the topic. The paper has a clearly worded, focused thesis statement. Organization. Each body paragraph is organized to follow point, evidence, and commentary to prove the thesis. The conclusion summarizes the paper and brings it to a close. Word choice. Word choice is rich and precise. Your tone shows an awareness of audience and purpose. There are no personal pronouns, slang words, or contractions. Spelling, grammar, and punctuation demonstrates almost complete control of writing conventions, few or no errors. And very importantly, you need to have MLA format, so your sources have been correctly cited using parenthetical citations. The works cited page is properly formatted and complete. The paper is double-spaced with 1-inch margins and is typed using Times New Roman size 12 font. There's a correct MLA heading and title on the paper. Again, you can see all of these examples within the course materials. So let's get more specific about a few details of a research paper. You need to have a thesis statement, right? So the thesis statement is a single main idea that you discuss throughout your entire paper. Okay, all the details in the paper connect with that idea and support that idea. Unrelated material should not be included in the paper. Often the title of a research paper also provides clues to its main idea. You should have a hook in your effective introduction. A hook is presented at the beginning of the paper, usually in the first few sentences and definitely in the opening paragraph, and it captures the reader's attention with an interesting fact or general statement that leads into the topic. It should not be in the form of a question. Your job is to present information, not ask the reader. The hook may be one sentence or a few related sentences, and it is always related to the topic. Within the body of your essay, research paper, you should contain points, specific facts, and details. This section of the paper contains the most information and is the majority or bulk of the paper, hence the name, the body. So here you can see an example paragraph. You can pause and read through this. All of the extra details are provided for you in blue. And then at the end of the research paper, you should have a conclusion. So conclusion restates the main idea of the paper in different words. The conclusion may also end with a brief statement or question that extends the main idea and gives readers something to think about after they have finished reading. An excellent approach to take is to look into the future of the topic and leave the reader wondering about what is to come, rather than just focusing on what you already have discussed and being robotic. So, important to consider during the topic brainstorming process. Is your topic too broad or extensive? Ask yourself these questions as you are thinking about your topic to find out whether you ought to narrow down your topic. Is your topic the name of what you might see as a whole curriculum unit, such as identifying rocks and minerals? Is your topic a general idea that could apply to many specific cases, such as how human societies have damaged the environment? Is your topic an idea or phenomenon that has been written about so much that you could spend just weeks researching it, such as climate change? So make sure you narrow down your topic, and you can pause on this slide if you want to match the definitions with the vocabulary words. And that is it. Please see me if you need any help, and look under those course materials for documents that will help you and give you examples as to what you should have.